Welcome to ECCPP. We commit to provide you the best innovative, quality products and professional services with competitive prices. Our leveling spacers are CNC machined out of billet aluminum and then powder-coated black to match you factory suspension. And we use 10.9 or 12.9 grade bolts with lock washer. These spacers are the strongest on the market, and we ensure that you will be satisfied and provide a defects liability period of 1 year. Lift amount does not equal spacer thickness owing to the suspension geometry. Strut spacers use compound ratios to provide lift amount. The real thickness of the front leveling spacer is about 34 mm per 1.34 inch, but it can lift 2 inch finally.